Hi guys, and welcome to this new fun video. I have to explain, I actually started this video back in June and it's now September, but back then I had a whole different idea of what I wanted this item to become. Yeah, they are working somewhere in the neighborhood and it's very loud and annoying because I want to film. So originally I wanted my creation to become like a fairy inspired throw blanket, but then I wasn't feeling it that much anymore, so now I decided to use everything I made so far to make a customized jean jacket, which will be super cool. I asked some people for help and someone suggested to put what I have so far on a jean jacket. But first I will show you the footage I have. I actually thought I had a lot more footage, but I only have like 3 clips of the original video that I was making. So I'm gonna show that now.
Many months ago.
Hi guys, and welcome to this new fun video. In this video I will make another crochet creation, kind of like a throw or wall hanging or whatever. It's gonna be a crochet piece, and I had the idea to make it like a fairy type of creation because, just as everyone, I am very hooked on the fairy trends. And of course I already started with this project, as I always do in every video. I already made this. I'm going to link the tutorial I followed in the description for these puff flowers. They look so cute. I really love the color palette of this. And I started 2 other flowers, which will also be a little patch. I'm gonna make multiple patches of flowers. I'm also using all kinds of different yarns for this project. I had quite a lot of yarn lying around, so I just decided to use up that. Then I thought, well, I really want to incorporate a graph into this project because I feel like I really want to work with graphs a lot when I'm crocheting, because it also incorporates illustrations of mine. So I had this icon of a cat and I thought I'm just gonna use this. So this is what I have so far. This is what I have so far and I love it a lot. In this video I also want to give a small tutorial on how you can crochet in a custom cutout shape, because I don't think something like that already exists on YouTube. Well, it probably does, but I did look for it for about 10 seconds and I didn't find a tutorial, so that's why I tried to do it on myself. And I thought, well, now that I have kind of invented how to do it, I can maybe make a tutorial about it. Do you see how curly my hair is? I kind of feel like a mermaid, although my hair isn't purple at the moment. The cat is almost finished. I don't know how to show you the right way because it is very floppy, but I still need to do this ear and this paw, and then it will be done. The cat, it actually didn't take me that long, maybe a few hours. I don't think even 10 hours. And then I also made these. So I want to keep making these different kind of patches. Do you see what I mean? I can add these clusters of flowers around the cat. I think that will be very cute. And here is the real life cat. Hello, Mona. Okay, so now that you've seen me work a little bit on the project, like I said, I thought I had a lot more footage because I'm quite far already. I only need to do like an ear and a paw, I think, and then it's finished, and I want to do that today maybe. And yeah, then I'll have the whole cat, and I'm so excited about it because it will look so cute on the jean jacket. Oh, I haven't shown how I got the jean jacket yet. Well, I actually don't have it yet because it still has to arrive, but I scrolled on Vinted for jean jackets, so secondhand, and then I found this green jean jacket and I bought it. So now I'm waiting for it to arrive, and it will look so cool with the colors that I used for the cat and the flowers. I also still have a lot of flowers, but I want to maybe make more flowers, but I think I'll wait until the jean jacket is here so that I can see how I will position the flowers on there and the cat, but I think today I'll finish off this cat. I was actually also planning to explain how you can crochet in a custom shape that is not like a square or a rectangle or something. And I'm wondering if you're interested in a tutorial like that, please let me know in the comments, because then I can look into making that tutorial, but for now it's just a little bit too busy to also include it in this video. And yeah, when the vest is done, I will officially include it into my own clothing collection. I have made 2 pieces so far. The one vest with the birds and then the other vest, which is the same pattern with the butterflies, but that was also included in a general vlog, but I also included it in the playlist for my own clothing collection. So yeah, I can't wait for the jean jacket to arrive. Hi guys, I have news. I have my jacket. It arrived quite quickly actually. So the person who sold the jacket on Vinted posted it quite quickly actually. So let's check out the package. So here it is. It's really wrapped up. Here it is. It's originally from Zara and I love this color. Oh my god, this color is beautiful. Let's put it on and hope that it fits. Okay, it definitely fits, I think. Oh, it's perfect. I don't know if you can see, but it's also quite cropped. Oh my god, I love this so much. I think I want to make separate flowers, crocheted flowers to put on the sleeves. Maybe the front, like the pockets. But I'm first gonna do the back now. Guys, do you see this? It's amazing. I might need to add a few flowers, but well, I can't even see it that well now. Do you see it? I hope you can see it. Hi guys, can you see all this yarn laying there? Well, I'm gonna use it today because today I'm gonna make a lot more flowers. And I hope today I can make enough to finish off the jacket, but I might need another day as well. I don't really enjoy making the flowers, to be honest, and also I'll leave the video and the description that I used as a tutorial. But yeah, I'm gonna make a few more flowers because I really want the jacket to be full of flowers. Hi guys, today I'm gonna start sewing on the patches onto the jacket, and to be honest, I'm really not looking forward to it because I don't really know into detail how I will do it. I'm kind of scared it will be a bit messy. I think I'll start with the cat patch because I think that one is the easiest. But the flowers, I'm not sure if it will be easy to sew them on. Also, I had a big dilemma on how I would do the flowers on the front, and I did a little poll on Instagram and everyone agreed to just do it like I showed it in the previous clip, so all the flowers spread out everywhere. And I kind of wasn't feeling it, but since everyone voted on, or almost everyone voted on that, I'm just gonna do it and I'm gonna listen to you guys. I think I'll first start sewing already and I'm kind of stressed about it. I just need to get started. It will be fine. I sew on all the flowers and it actually was fine to do, to my surprise. I made a few more extra flowers at Evert, his parents, their house, and then sewed them on as well. So the jacket was finally finished after months of working on it on and off. We went to see a fireworks show and just look how fabulous my jacket looks at the event. Ta-da! The jacket is finished. Well, I have to adjust it a little bit. It's so cute. I really love it. I asked Evert and his mom for help to add some more flowers, and I added these and these. So I think it looks very cute. And this is the back. Very cute as well. I love it so much. I really love how it turned out. I already wore this jacket for a few days. I wore it when I went to my internship this week. I love it so much. Yeah, I couldn't be happier, but maybe I already said that too often in this clip. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you in next week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to comment what you think of this jacket. And I hope you have a good day or night. Bye bye!